Hello. So, welcome back. So, I'm here to address the ambiguity which most of us had with regards to whether CUCET will actually happen or not. Now, what is CUCET? Let's try and understand. It's a proposed test by the committee which has been set up by the Education Ministry, which has recently submitted its report. It was basically been contemplated, but day before yesterday they've actually submitted their final report and have recommended CUCET very vociferously. So it's basically a test which will be conducted by NTA, which is National Testing Agency, for majorly all the central universities for the admissions into the leading programs, BCom honors, Eco honors, English honors, so on and so forth. Yes, earlier when you wanted admission in a top Delhi University college or a top course like SRCC Stephens, it was purely on the basis of your class 12 percentage. But friends, now you cannot rely only on class 12 percentage. There will be an entrance test, which is CUCET. 41 universities are likely to participate in the first go, though committee has recommended that CUCET will happen twice in a year, but this year it is going to only happen once. Expect a notification in the month late April. May first week, expect one common online form, and you can have an entrance exam in the month of June, maybe late June, so that it does not disrupt the admission cycle. Now, as far as the exam pattern and the duration is concerned, duration is going to be for 3 hours, right? Which is further going to be divided into 2 parts. 100 marks will be the total, total marks out of which you will be kind of evaluated, which will be divided into part A, part B. Part A is going to be an aptitude test, which is going to be on basic quantitative aptitude, logical, analytical reasoning, verbal reasoning. Some questions you can expect on general awareness as well. Part B, my friends, is going to be on domain specific, right? What is going to happen there? It's still a little ambiguous, but what we expect that committees actually design a matrices where they have divided courses of like mathematics and science into one category, humanities, arts, and psychology probably in one category. So you might have domain specific questions there which you've already studied in class 11th and 12th. Okay, so that's about it, right? So we will keep coming with videos like this, right? Start preparing. All the very best. Thank you.